Hi guys, so I just wanted to show you what comes in a Color Street kit if you've been curious and you wanted to join. So this is the kit. You have nail files, you have buffers, you have samples, and you have strips. So, and these are great buffers. They are encased, and you have 2 of those. You have, I believe, 50 samples that come in, 10 strips, and then these buffers. There's a 2-pack of them in here, right? They're 4-sided buffers. So some of these strips include Amazonia, there's Tahiti Getaway, there's a French, which is City of Love, there's Peacock Throne, Safari, Chic, Mardi Gras, this is El Dorado, right? These are super cute. There's another one, Vegas Vixen. So these are some of the strips that you get, and then you get a bunch of samples to give out. So here's some Charleston Blush in here, right? Charleston Blush. There's some French samples. Then you have also some glitter samples. There's some Tokyo Lights, which make for great accents. There is Rio Red samples. Then there's some Moon River. So this is what you get in a kit. There's tons of stuff to get you started. If you would like to know more about enrollment, please let me know, and I can gladly give you some more information.